Good morning, dear children. In last class, we will discuss about the types of equations, that is, the equations are consistent or inconsistent, and the types of graphs formed. And the remaining questions in exercise 3.2, I will discuss it in the class, that is the graphical representation and graphical method of finding the solution of two linear equations. Here, the next method is substitution method. What is substitution? Do you know what is substitution? Substitution എന്താണെന്ന് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. Substitution എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പകരം. ഒരെണ്ണത്തിന് പകരം വേറൊരെണ്ണം. That is the meaning of substitution. Here, substitution method. Okay, first one, example. First equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 and second equation is x minus y is equal to minus 1. If we take the value of x and y from the first equation, we can substitute in the second equation. If we take the value of x and y from the second equation, we substitute it in the first equation. First equation is x into y value എടുക്കുന്നെങ്കിൽ അത് substitute ചെയ്യേണ്ട second equation. Second equation is value എടുക്കുന്നെങ്കിൽ that substituted in the first equation. Okay, ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോണം. First equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Then x in the value 3x is equal to 12 minus 2y. That is, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, 3x is equal to 12 minus 2y. X is equal to 12 minus 2y divided by 3. That is the value of x. And second equation is x minus y is equal to minus 1. Substitute the value of x in equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Value of x is 12 minus 2y by 3. Substitute this value in equation number 2. That is x minus y is equal to minus 1. That is, in the place of x, we can write 12 minus 2y by 3. Minus y is equal to minus 1. Then taking LCM, 12 minus 2y minus 3y divided by 3 is equal to minus 1. That is 12 minus 2y minus 3y, that is minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 1. 12 minus 5y is equal to minus 1 and 3 cross multiplying, that is minus 3. Minus 5y is equal to minus 3 minus 12, that is minus 15. Then y is equal to minus 15 divided by minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, clear? Y is equal to 3. We get the value of y. Substitute the value of y in this equation, that is x is equal to 12 minus 2y by 3. Then y is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 12 minus 2 into 3 by 3. That is 12 minus 6 by 3 is equal to 6 by 3. That is 2. The values of x and y are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Solve the equation means find the value of x and y. First step, we had take the value of x from first equation, that is 3x is equal to 12 minus 2y by 3. Then substitute the value of x in second equation. Second equation is our value edukunnengil substituted in the first equation. Okay, clear? Okay. Let us start with exercise 3.3. Okay. First question is an easy question for you. Do it as homework. Then second one. Second question is s minus t is equal to 3 and second equation is s by 3 minus plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Okay. First equation is s minus 2 is equal to 3. S minus t is equal to 3 and second equation is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Okay. First step, you have to change this equation into standard form. Standard form not convert and taking LCM, that is equation is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. 3 and 2 LCM 6, that is into 2. Here also into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, that is 2s plus 3t. 2 into s 2s plus 3 into t 3t by 6 is equal to 6. That is 2s plus 3t is equal to 6 into 6, that is 36. That is the second equation. And first equation is s minus t is equal to 3. Okay. Then first equation is s minus t is equal to 3. From the first equation we can take the value of s. First equation is s minus t is equal to 3. That is s is equal to t right side, that is 3 plus t. S is equal to 3 plus t. Substitute the value of s in equation number 2, that is 2s plus 3t is equal to 36, that is the second equation. Substitute the value of s, that is s is equal to 3 plus t, that is 2 into 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. 5t is equal to 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. Then t is equal to 30 by 5 is equal to 6. Okay, t is equal to 6. Then s is equal to 3 plus t. That is 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Then value of s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. Okay. Then move on to the third question. Third question is 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ രണ്ട് പ്രോബ്ലത്തിലും ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷനിൽ നിന്ന് എടുത്ത് സെക്കൻഡ് ഇക്വേഷനിലാണ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താലും മതി. ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ സെക്കൻഡ് ഇക്വേഷനിൽ നിന്ന് എടുത്ത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, സെക്കൻഡ് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഈസ് 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. ഓക്കെ, 9x is equal to 9 plus 3y. X is equal to 9 plus 3y by 9. Okay. X is equal to 9 plus 3y by 9. Substitute the value, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Substitute the value of x in equation number 1, that is 3x minus y is equal to 3. 3 into 9 plus 3y by 9 minus y is equal to 3. 27 plus 9y by 9 minus y is equal to 3. Taking LCM, 27 plus 9y minus 9y by 9 is equal to 3. That is 27 plus 9y minus 9y is equal to cross multiplication, then 3 into 9, that is 27. 9 by 9 by cancel, then 27 is equal to 27. We get 27 is equal to 27. We get 27 is equal to 27. Okay. അതായത് വൈയുടെ ടേംസ് രണ്ടും ക്യാൻസൽ ആയിപ്പോയി. നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ വരുന്ന കേസസിൽ ഇത് വിച്ച് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഈസ് ദിസ്, ഏത് ടൈപ്പ് ഇക്വേഷനാണ് നമുക്കറിയാം. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വിച്ച് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഈസ് ദിസ് എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ a1 by a2, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Okay, a1 by a2, a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 3, that is 1 by 3. Then c1 by c2, c1 right side lana, left side varumba adu minus 3 agum, c2 left side varumba minus 9 agum. Standard form ingenaanu varuna equation de 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 9x minus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of pair of linear equations, that is a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 3, then c1 by c2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 9, that is 1 by 3. That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Which type of equation is this? ഏത് ടൈപ്പ് ആയത്? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. It has infinitely many solution. അതായത് ഒരു സ്പെസിഫിക് സൊല്യൂഷൻ, ഒരു സൊല്യൂഷനായിട്ട് നമുക്കിതിനെ പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. That is, this type of equation has infinitely many solution. Okay, ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, it has infinitely many solution. അല്ലാതെ നമുക്ക് സ്പെസിഫിക് ആയിട്ട് വാല്യൂ കാണാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ലാസ്റ്റിൽ a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, it has infinitely many solution. Okay. Then move on to the fourth question. That is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷൻസും ഡെസിമൽ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷനെ 10 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. Multiply the first equation by 10, then we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. And second equation is also multiplied by 10, that is 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Normal equation formula, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. ബാക്കി ഹോംവർക്ക് ചെയ്യാം അല്ലേ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്മൾ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ചെയ്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൻ്റെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23, and you will do it as homework. Okay? Then fifth question, root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0, first equation, and second equation is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Okay, taking the value of x from the first equation, that is first equation is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Then root 2x is equal to minus root 3y. Root 3y right side minus root 3y. Then x is equal to minus root 3y by root 2. Okay. Then substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Then root 3 into x is minus root 3y by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then minus 3y by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. Then taking LCM, minus 3y minus root 8y into root 2 by root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, doubt undo? Minus 3y minus root 8 into minus root 2, that is minus root 8 into root 2, that is root 16y by root 2 is equal to 0. Root 16 is 4. Minus 3y minus 4y by root 2 is equal to 0. Cross multiplication, we get minus 3y minus 4y is equal to 0. That is minus 7y is equal to 0. That is y is equal to 0. Okay. Then find the value of x. Then x is equal to root 3 minus root 3y by root 2 is equal to minus root 3 by root 2 into 0. That is value of x is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. Sixth question. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. First equation, taking LCM, then we can convert it into standard form, that is 2 and 3 LCM is 6. That is, equation is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. LCM is 6, that is into 3. Here also into 3. Here into 2. 9x minus 10y by 6 is equal to minus 2. That is 9x minus 10y is equal to 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. This is equation number 3. Here also taking 6 as LCM, that is here into 2, here also into 3. That is, second equation becomes 2x plus 3y by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6 into 6. The second equation becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. That is equation number 4. You can solve the third equation and fourth equation by substitution method. Okay, clear?